Hello guys and welcome to CryptoBull, and in this video, like some of you asked me under my previous videos guys, how to use bridges and how to bridge from one blockchain to another and buy one token from one blockchain and to buy a token on another blockchain. And today I'm going to show you how to bridge Avax to Ethereum. This means how you can exchange Avax on Avalanche chain to Ethereum on Ethereum or ERC20 token on Ethereum chain. And we will be using Pangolin exchange and we will be using a bridge. As you know guys, there is also a bridges on Pangolin exchange, and Pangolin is built on Avax or Avalanche. However, you can use bridges to bridge many tokens from one blockchain to another. And if we hover here on the left hand side, you can see here guys, there are many different options. Like there is swap, which I already showed you in one of my previous videos, how to use swap, how to interact with this exchange. There is also buy, there is also pool and farms where you can add liquidity, there is stake where you can stake PNG tokens, and there is also a bridges, as you can see here at the very bottom. If we click on bridge, here we are able to bridge from one token from one blockchain to another token on another blockchain. And I will be using MetaMask guys. I believe that many of you who are watching this video, you already know how to use MetaMask, how to get a MetaMask and so on and so forth, so I will not be getting into it. But as you can see here on my MetaMask, I am currently on Avalanche blockchain, so on Avax C chain, and I will be using Avax C to exchange my Avax. As you can see currently on this blockchain I have 11 Avax, and I will be exchanging these 11 Avax to Ethereum guys on Ethereum. And if I click here now on Ethereum mainnet, as you can see here guys, now I'm in Ethereum mainnet. I don't have any Ethereum there guys. But now let's go back to Avax or Avalanche chain, and like I mentioned, I will be moving or exchanging 11 Avax from Avalanche chain to Ethereum on Ethereum chain. And to do this, all you need to do guys is to use bridges, and I will be using this Pangolin exchange. Like I said, bridges where we can do this. If I click into bridges, here we are in cross chain guys. This means that from one blockchain to another, one blockchain, one token. In our scenario that will be Avalanche, we will be exchanging to Ethereum blockchain to ERC token, which will be Ethereum guys. So as you can see, first field here is select chain. At the very beginning, when you are starting out in cryptocurrencies, this could be a little bit confusing guys, but as the time passes you will understand it and will be using just like any other thing which you are using online guys. As you can see, here is select chains, so we are going to exchange from Avalanche chain. So let's click there guys, and let's click there Avax. Okay, Avalanche, as you can see, Avalanche, because this is Avalanche blockchain, we are going to use Avalanche blockchain and select token from which token we would like to exchange. So let's select tokens there, and we will be using Avax. We want to exchange Avax to Ethereum from Avalanche blockchain to Ethereum blockchain. I know that I'm repeating myself guys, but I'm doing this on purpose. So for those who are watching this for the very first time and you probably are very new to the blockchain technology and how this all works, I want you just to understand how it really works. First is Avax guys, so let's click Avax. So we are exchanging on Avalanche blockchain Avax token, and we are going to exchange to, now we want, for example, to exchange to Ethereum. Like I mentioned, this is what we are going to do. So we will be using Ethereum blockchain. As you can see, this is the chain. And what token we would like to get guys for our Avalanche, which we will be entering here in the first field. So we will want Ethereum, also Ethereum on Ethereum blockchain. Here we just search for Ethereum, let's click on Ethereum, and here as you can see, currently we are changing from Avalanche blockchain, Avax token, to Ethereum blockchain and to Ethereum. And here I just enter how much Avax I would like to exchange. As you can see here on my MetaMask wallet, currently I have 11.30 Avax. I will be exchanging only 11 Avax guys. So here I enter 11. And as you can see, once I enter 11 on Pangolin exchange, it will give me recommended options which I can choose from. Here are 3 options which they are offering me, which I can use to do this exchange. So as you can see here, you can see estimated tokens. This is how much you will be getting, how much is the transaction fee, and so on and so forth guys. So I will select the first option guys. And once my first option is selected, guys, here I click on swap. And once I click on swap, this MetaMask pop-up will come up, and here you click confirm. And once you have confirmed this transaction, you will be getting Ethereum to your wallet. And now if I open my MetaMask, I actually exchanged only 10 Avax, guys, not 11, because I paused this video and changed it to 10, guys. As you can see, now I have left with 1.29 Avax on my wallet. But if I switch networks from Avalanche to Ethereum mainnet, you can see that I have got 0.05 Ethereum on my wallet. So this is pretty much how you use bridges and how you can get tokens from one blockchain to another tokens on another blockchain, guys. So I hope that you found this video useful. If you did, leave a like, guys, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and see you in the next one.